What's going on, guys? It's Connor here with TC Bros, and today we're going to be installing a set of our rotors on this 23 Lowrider ST. The first thing we're going to do is grab our E16 12-point socket to remove the calipers. There's going to be 2 bolts on each caliper, and then after that, it pops right off. Then we're going to take a T27 and remove the 4 bolts that are holding the fender on. Now, this could have been done before the calipers. Honestly, it doesn't really matter which order you go in. It could be personal preference on that. Next, we're going to grab a 5/16 Allen and loosen up the pinch bolt. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your axle socket and remove the front axle from the bike. The rim and tire come off pretty easy, and you can go ahead and get that out so we can get it on the bench and get the old rotors off and the new ones on. Something important to note on the clutch side of the bike, when you remove this, you will have an ABS sensor that's in there. Just look at where that was before and make sure it gets put back when we go ahead and reinstall the rim and tire back on. Then we're going to grab our T40 and get the old rotors removed and then reinstall the new rotors. When I reinstalled them, be sure to use blue Loctite like I did to ensure that these aren't going to come off anytime soon. The right and left rotors are the same, so no need to worry about what side they go on. Just make sure the counterbores for the rotor mounting hardware face outward on each. We always recommend using new brake pads for the best performance. Your old pads have embedded into your old rotors and will not contact the new rotor correctly. Then we can carefully reinstall the front rim and tire onto the bike. We can get that axle put back in and ensure that the axle is torqued to your factory specs, and you'll also need to tighten the axle pinch bolt. When reinstalling the caliper, you may have to take a screwdriver or some type of small pry bar to decompress the pistons that are inside the caliper. Then we're going to go ahead and tighten everything up, put our fender back on, and we're done. You can get all these parts and many more at tcbros.com. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.